Hello guys, welcome back to another exciting episode on Annie Artistry Beauty Blog. So this is a video on makeup, bridal makeup transformation and Gele. Are you seeing my bride here? This is classy, guys. So in case you're stopping by for the first time, make sure to hit the subscribe button below, give this video a thumbs up, share, and drop a comment in the comment section below. So we're starting off with the Garnier micellar water, and I'm using the cotton wool to apply that. Also with the rose water from Virginia Gardens, so also using the cotton wool to apply that on her skin. Skin prep is very necessary. So going on with simple toner to also tone her face. All this is to awaken the skin. This is also a serum I got from Miniso. Yes, I decided to try it out and it's actually nice. So this is also the simple moisturizer. Yeah, it's a light moisturizer. It's also hydrating and kind to skin. So going forward, we're using the V Beauty sweat block or sweat stop, and I'm using a cotton pad from Cosmetics to apply that. Just gently dab on the areas that are necessary. And also I'm going to set all that I've applied, to set the skin prep with my fix and spray from the Kiss Beauty. This is also my mattifying primer from Newborn Beauty. I love this a lot. It's very silky on the skin. Next up, we go into mattifying process. This is the V Beauty Stay Matte Primer. So to set my products in, I'm using the My Cheek Stay Matte setting spray to set all I've applied. So for foundation, I'm using the V Beauty in Sea Babe and Revlon in Golden Caramel. This is perfect for her skin tone.
Music licensing reimagined.
So now we're just gonna blend first with our foundation brush, and I got this brush also from Miniso. It's also really nice on the skin. So guys, as you can see, her skin is really intact. There's no difference between her foundation and her skin. So now to highlight under eyes, I'm using the concealer from Hege and Esther. This is in So Bourgeois. Also a really nice concealer.
Music licensing reimagined.
So you just need to blend out your concealer into the skin very well. Blending is key in makeup. So we're done blending, and this is the outcome. You won't even know that there's a concealer there. So this, I'm also going in with the Bicham concealer first in Cool Tan. So I really want to make her under eyes pop out more, so I'll be going in with this and also the classic concealer.
Artlist.io.
So now I'm using the classic concealer in Classic. This is very light. I love this concealer a lot. It's so creamy and it gives me that bright under eyes.
Artlist.io.
Ooh, look at that. Look at that. So for contour, I'll be doing a cream contour with the black opal and hazelnut. This is the first time I actually used this stick since I got it, and I found out that it's really, really lovely.
Reimagined.
Like, can you see that?
Artlist.io.
So for my cream blush, I like to use my favorite Bicham Ageless Lip Palette, and I'm using the peach or pink right there. Here, very light on her skin. So this is very, very creamy, guys. I love this palette.
Artlist.io.
And so we're done with that. This is it, guys. So now that I want to set her under eyes, I first have to blend, make sure that her under eyes is seated properly before I go in with my setting powder. You don't want to have a crease under the eyes. So I'm using the Eye Magic setting powder in Banana. This is also very lovely. Make sure you dust off the excess and then you push in properly. Okay guys, I was launching my VBT 12-in-1 powder palette, and yes, I had to use it for this video and for this glam. It was perfect for her, it was perfect for the whole makeup. I love it. So it's giving what I wanted.
Music licensing reimagined.
So for our powder contour, I was mixing the shades from chestnut and chocolate to give a very good definition to her face. To blush, we're using the classic blush palette. This is also one of my favorite makeup item. So for today to bake, we'll be using the Adventure Translucent Natural Light Setting Powder.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So for our brows, I'm using the Thick Cosmetic Brow Pencil. This is very light, it's a light shade.
Artlist.io.
So still for her brows, I'll be using the Hagan Esther Brow Pomade in Nubia.
Music licensing reimagined.
To conceal her brows, I'm using the Bicham Ageless Concealer in Cotton.
Artlist.io.
Very, very sweet to consume. Oh my god. Okay, so sorry guys, I lost the clip for using the brow tint on this video. So now I'm using the Ben 9 Clown White base for my eyeshadow. And for the eyeshadow, I'll be using the Feeble Meat Beauty. This eyeshadow is also pigmented. I love it. Okay, so I started off with my transition shade there, the light brown. Yes, for the crease in particular, you need a light brown shade for that area. Ooh, ooh, butter, butter, butter. Can you see that? Ooh.
Artlist.io.
Like guys, seriously, this is a statement. This eye is a statement on their own. So we're moving on. The Hush Beauty Stay On Matte eyeliners for the under eye. So that's what I'm going to use for her waterline. So we're going next to the gel liner from Beyond Beauty, and I'm using that to line her eyes.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
So smile for me. So to spicing things up with the eyes, we're using the pigments from Beauty Creations and pigment glue from Han Diane. It's a glitter glue or pigment glue.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
So this is the Saran tint powder. I'm using it to dust off the under eye and to also absorb any sweat or heat from the under eye.
Music licensing reimagined.
Moving on, also using the Zaran XO Sculpt Wiz. Comes in 2 shades. So the highlights and the contour you see there.
Artlist.io.
Onto Zaran mascara. This is in Lash Out. I love this mascara now.
Artlist.io.
Now to glow up, we're using the Blossom Nefertiti palette.
Music licensing Licensing Reimagined. Artlist.io.
Now to one of my favorite products and kits in my box, the BRIDAL Dream Lip Palette. This was a giveaway. I so much cherish this palette. Thank you once again, BRIDAL Cosmetics.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
So we're gonna set with the Magic Stay Matte Setting Spray.
Music Licensing Reimagined.
Such a beauty, guys. Such a beauty. This is the end look. I hope you love this. Please make sure to stay tuned for more videos. And finally, I'm gonna set with the BRIDAL makeup setting spray. This seals off everything and takes off the powdery effect. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. Please make sure to subscribe in case you're new to my channel. You know, I'll be dropping more and more videos, like I said, back to back this year. So please give this video a thumbs up, share, drop your comments, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Just enjoy the last clip of this, and I'll see you next time on my channel. Bye guys.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music Licensing Reimagined.